Good morning to you all.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Are you all fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And you, sir?
Yes, I am also fine. Then let's start some more questions. We completed two constructions yesterday. So this is our third question for today. So simple question is there. Construct a regular pentagon with one side 4 centimeter by using protector. So we discussed about this type of questions yesterday also. If it is said to draw by using protector, at first we have to find out the interior angle. For all type of questions, if it is said to by using protector by finding interior angle, at first we have to find out the interior angle. So all of you use formula of interior angle of a regular polygon, that is n minus 2 into 180 degree divided by n.
And
Now what will be the value of n? What is the value of n for pentagon? How many sides are
I
there in pentagon? Sides, Unchan. Yes, please. In place of
five,
n,
sir.
what we
Five.
have to put?
5, sir.
5. So by putting 5, 5 minus 2 into 180 degree divided by 5, 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 into 180 divided by 5, 180 divided by 5, it is 36. So multiply these two. Just waiting for my next click.
108.
108.
108 degree. Okay. So interior angle of regular pentagon is 108 degree. And one
Yes, sir.
another thing given to us is side of pentagon is 4 centimeter. Pentagon ko side ko length 4 centimeter cha bhanecha ra angle we calculated here, that is 108 degree. By using these two things, interior angle 108 degree and length of side 4 centimeter, we have to draw a regular pentagon here. Okay. So for this one, let's move to this construction tool, mathspad.com. At first, take scale and draw a line segment of length 4 centimeter. 0 to 4. It is visible clearly.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
yes,
This is
sir.
the line segment of length 4 centimeter. Let us give name also. So let it be A, and here let it be B. Now next thing that we have to do is angle of pentagon is 108 degree. Just we calculated
Yes, sir.
few seconds ago. So at both end of this line segment AB, whose length is 4 centimeter, to its both end, we have to draw angle of 108 degree. So it is not possible to draw 108 degree by using compass. So use the protector. Here is the tool to increase or decrease the size of protector. Protector को size बढ़ाउन घटाउनलाई यहाँनिर tool छ side मा. So we can use it. Now draw angle of 108, 100, 105 and 6, 7, 8. This gives us angle of 108 degree. अब यहाँनिर यसलाई रोटेट गरेर यतापट्टि ड्रा गर्नु पर्यो. Are you observing it? What I am doing?
Yes.
We have to draw angle of 108 degree.
108.
So there is the point which I have drawn here to draw angle of 108 by using the protector. Okay, now we can draw it. This is one line segment of 108 degree line segment 108 degree represent गर्ने गरी यहाँनिर यो draw गरे. Do same thing to another end also. यतापट्टिको इन्डमा पनि त्यही काम गर 100 105 6 7 8 this represents 108 degree.
Okay.
Use your scale now and draw 108 degree here also. Okay, so let me draw it. Two things we did up to now. One, we have taken a line segment AB of length 4 centimeter. Next thing, two angles at end A as well as at end B of measurement 108 degree. 108 degree का दुईटा एंगल र एउटा लाइन 4 सेन्टिमिटर को बनायो. Now next thing is it is regular pentagon means all sides of it are 4 centimeter. एउटा साइड 4 सेन्टिमिटर छ भने अरु सबै साइडहरु पनि कति नै हुन्छन् त? These are also 4 centimeters. So we have to take measurement of 4 centimeter either by using scale or you can take from here because it is a 4 centimeter. AB 4 centimeter थियो त्यसैले यही 4 centimeter लिएर यहाँनिर लक गर्न पाइयो. Now draw it upward to both ends. End A and from end B. दुईटै एन्डबाट 4 centimeter को आर्क काट. Okay. Is this clear? What I did here? I have taken arc of 4 centimeter and I cut it from the both end of line segment AB. AB line segment को दुईटै end A र end B बाट 4 centimeter को arc माथि काट्यौं. Did you understand it?
Yes.
Up to now?
Sir.
Now next procedure is either we may draw angle of 108 degree at these both ends. यहाँनिर अहिले भर्खरै काटेको पोइन्ट्सहरुबाट फेरि 108 degree बनाएर यता यता लाइनहरु आउँछ. Or length of side of this pentagon is 4 centimeter. यसको साइड 4 centimeter छ भने 4 centimeter लिएर यो दुईटै एन्डबाट माथि काटे पनि we will get the fifth vertex of the pentagon. यसरी माथि काट्दा पुगिहाल्छ. Cut the arc of 4 centimeter from the both point of intersection which we have drawn just few minutes ago, few seconds ago. यो दुईटै यहाँनिरको एन्ड 4 centimeter को B बाट 4 centimeter काटेर आएको point of intersection अनि A बाट 4 centimeter काटेर आएको point of intersection. यो दुईटै point बाट 4 centimeter लिएर माथिपट्टि काट्यौं. And this is our fifth point. And join these by using scale. Scale ले यिनीहरुलाई फेरि join गर. Do same thing to left side also. Left तिर पनि यस्तै गर्ने हो. Same procedure we have to use here also. So our required pentagon is constructed. Give name A, B. Let this point is C. Similarly, let this one is D. And this one is the point E. A, B, C, D, E. Pentagon is constructed in which all sides are 4 centimeter as well as all angles are 108 degree. So what we have to write at last? What is constructed? Therefore,
Pentagon of 4 centimeter. Regular pentagon of 4 centimeter.
okay, therefore, regular pentagon. What is the name of pentagon?
Angle A.
A, B, C, D, E.
A, B, C, D, E. So we
E.
constructed a regular pentagon A, B, C, D, E, and this is our final answer. This much we have to do.
Sir, which projector?
So we did not use protector here. Protector हामीले use गरेनौं यहाँ.
सर त्यो टपमा त्यो हामीले त्यो आँख बनाएर गराएको थियो त्यो वाला भयो. त्यसमा प्रोजेक्टरले ट्राई.
Okay, you can do it by using protector also. यहाँनिर फेरि प्रोटेक्टर राखेर लेट मी शो यु यो लाइन ड्र गर्नुभन्दा पहिला यो दुईटा आर्क काट्नुभन्दा पहिला यहाँ प्रोटेक्टर युज गरेर यसरी ड्र गर्न सकिन्छ ओके इफ यु आर यु अब्जर्भिङ द प्रोटेक्टर
Yes, sir.
we have to draw angle of 108 degree here यहाँनिर 108 degree ड्र गर्नु पर्यो त्यसै गरी यही प्रोटेक्टरलाई के गर्नु पर्यो यता राखेर from this end also we have to draw angle of 108 degree and then draw this line as well as this line by using scale use गरेर यहाँबाट यो लाइन ड्र गरेर 108 को अनि यतापट्टि पनि 108 डिग्री को एंगल ड्र गरेर यसरी ओके Then
प्रोटेक्टर
without-
बाङ्गो राख्ने
यस
प्रोटेक्टरलाई त्यो बाङ्गो राख्नु पर्छ त्यो स्ट्रेटमा नराख्ने सिधा
प्रोटेक्टरलाई त यो लाइनमा राख्नु पर्यो नि त एई लाइनमा on which line I kept here just you can observe in screen देखिदैछ कहाँ राखेको छ भनेर
यस सर
एई भन्ने लाइनमा यो अघि काटेको पोइन्ट 4 सेन्टिमिटर लिएर काटेको पोइन्ट थियो नि त्यो पोइन्टमा राख्नु पर्यो
Yes.
त्यसै गरी यतापट्टि यहाँ राख्नु पर्यो
यस सर
यतापट्टि बीसीमा राखेर अनि काट्नु पर्यो माथिपट्टि यहाँ 108 डिग्री अनि दुईटै लाइनलाई जोड दिएपछि बनिहाल्छ for fourth this fifth point D 1 2 3 4 point we already obtained by taking 108 degree here यहाँनिर 108 डिग्री लियौं यतापट्टि पनि 108 डिग्री लियौं अनि यिनीहरु 108 लिएर यो दुईटा त बनिसक्यो now for this fifth point D either you may use compass मा कति सेन्टिमिटर लिएर युज गर्यौं 4 centimeter okay we use this compass by taking arc of 4 centimeter यो 4 centimeter जुन फर्स्ट मा थियो यही आर्क लिएर युज गर्यौं or you may use protector to draw 108 degree here so any confusion is remaining again
सर कति साइडसम्मको पोलिगन हुन्छ सर कति साइडसम्म 1000 साइडवटा पनि पोलिगन हुन्छ
polygon infinity sideहरुसम्म बनाउन सकिन्छ and the polygon which have infinity number of side is a circle 1000 2000 infinity सम्म लग्यो भने त्यो सर्कल बन्छ फाइनली
तर सर्कलको त साइडै हुन्छ
साइडै हुँदैन त्यही भएर त इन्फिनिटी साइडहरु भएपछि सर्कल भयो जस्तो यहाँ हामीले एउटा बनायौं मानौ यसमा हामीले बनायौं साइडहरु 3-4 वटा साइडहरु बनायौं है ओके 5 sides I have taken here let me remove it यस्तै गरेर साइडहरु थप्दै गयौं हामीले धेरै साइडहरु बनायौं यहाँ 6 वटा साइडहरु भयो ओके सिमिलरली 8 sides फाइनली यति साइडहरु हुन्छ यति नजिक हुन्छ कि यिनीहरुलाई अनकाउन्टेबल नम्बरमा पुग्दाखेरि फाइनली यो के बन्छ त सर्कल बन्छ भने हो इन्फिनिटी सम्म काउन्ट गर्न नसकिने साइडहरु बनायो भने त्यो फाइनली सर्कल बन्छ सो लेट्स मुभ टु नेक्स्ट क्वेशन नम्बर 4 construct a regular octagon with one side 4 centimeter from the use of protector by finding its interior angle the question is clear
yes sir
it is similar question to previous one just there is a octagon छ यहाँनिर हामीलाई ड्रा गर्न भनेको so for octagon what value of n we have to take number of sides 8 and other procedure is same अघिको जस्तै प्रोसेस युज गर्नुपर्ने हो okay so without waiting let us proceed it interior angle of octagon n minus 2 into 180 degree by n put value 8 minus 2 into 180 by 8 it is 6 into 180 by 8 you will get 135 degree you can calculate it yourself also okay and length of side is 4 centimeter again as like previous one agi pani 4 centimeter थियो अहिले पनि 4 centimeter छ So I don't think there is confusion in this slide. यसमा केही problem छ?
No, sir.
Then let's go to this maths pad and start the construction. Okay. Length of side of regular octagon given to us is 4 centimeter. So draw a line segment whose length is 4 centimeter and let it be A, B. Let this line segment be AB. And we just calculated that interior angle of regular octagon is 135 degrees. So by using protractor, we have to find out the angle of 135 degree to both end. दुईटै end मा 135 degree को angle बनाउनु पर्यो. From 0 135. Is this 135?
Yes, sir.
135 degree छ नि. Similarly, at another end, let me draw it together. सँगसँगै बनाऊ. अर्को end मा this one is 135. Am I right?
Yes.
यहाँनिर 130, 135. This is 140. This one is 135 at right end and this one is the 135 at left end. So draw these both by using your scale. Do same thing to right end also. Draw line segment representing angle of 135 degree. Now all sides of regular polygon are same. If one side is 4 centimeter, other side will be also 4 centimeter. अरु साइडहरु जति पनि हामी बनाउँछौं सबै कति कति हुने हो त 4 centimeter. So take arc of 4 centimeter in your compass and draw it upward from both ends A and B. A र B दुईटै end बाट 4 centimeter को आर्कहरु माथितिर काट्नु पर्यो. Okay? Do same thing from end A as well as from end B. End A र end B दुईटैबाट 4 centimeter को आर्क काट्नु पर्यो. These are of 4 centimeter. And these angles are 135 degree. Both angle A as well as angle B. Again, at end A and at end B, sorry, from end A and from end B, we have taken the arc and we get point of intersection. यो काटिएको पोइन्टहरु आयो. फेरि यो पोइन्टहरुबाट पनि 135 degree को एंगलहरु ड्रा गर्नुपर्ने हो. Okay? So take protractor and put it here. Rotate it in this way. Are you observing it clearly? देखिदैछ नि हामी कसरी ड्रा गर्दै छौं भनेर.
Yes, sir.
Draw angle of 135 degree. Okay, do same thing at another end also. यहाँ पनि त्यही गर्ने हो. Rotate your protractor in this way. And draw angle of 135 degree. So here we are taking 135 from this lower measurement. तलपट्टिको 0 देखि हेर्नु पर्यो. 130, 140 and middle one is 135. Now use your scale and draw these both. Do the same thing at another end also. यहाँ पनि त्यही काम गर्नुपर्ने. Maybe I did a bit mistake. अलिकति फरक परिरहेछ. Exactly vertical हुनुपर्ने हो है दुईटै. Maybe there is mistake of half and degrees. अलिकति फरक पर्यो भने अलिकति बाङ्गो भइहाल्छ. So while drawing, try to minimize your mistake. We have taken protractors to draw 135 degree at both ends. दुईटै end मा जुन 4 सेन्टिमिटरको आर्क लिएर काटेको पोइन्ट थियो, त्यो पोइन्टहरुबाट 135 डिग्रीको एंगल दुईटैतिर ड्रा गर्यौं. ओके, then again take arc of 4 centimeter. This is already 4. हामीले जुन सुरुमा लिए थियौं यही 4 सेन्टिमिटर हो. So again cut arc of 4 centimeter from these new points. यो दुईटै नयाँ पोइन्टहरु लेफ्ट तिर र राइट तिर भएको पोइन्टहरुबाट 4 सेन्टिमिटर को आर्क फेरि काटा अपवर्ड to make 4 centimeter again. दुईटै to get both new sides 4 centimeter. यो दुईटै जुन नयाँ साइडहरु भने यिनीहरु पनि 4 सेन्टिमिटर पाउनको लागि फेरि 4 centimeter को आर्क काट्नु पर्यो. How many sides we get up to now? Check the number of sides. 1 2 3 4 5.
5.
अब कतिवटा साइड्स बाँकी छन् to get octagon? Yes,
2.
5 plus 2 it is 8.
So there are 6 sides, we need 2.
Oh, how many sides we drawn up to now? We have drawn
5.
5 or
6.
1 2 3 4 5 sides we have drawn. For octagon we need 8 sides. Okay, so 3 sides are still remaining. अब त्यो तीनटा साइडहरु पनि फेरि ड्रा गर्नुपर्ने हो 135 डिग्री को एंगल बनाएर. From here, are you observing it clearly? 135 degree. Okay, similarly draw 135 degree from here also. यहाँबाट पनि 135 degree ड्रा गर्नुपर्ने हो. Okay, 135 degree. Now let me remove this one and use your scale now. 135 degree को यो दुईटै पोइन्टहरु बनायो. लेफ्ट साइडबाट यो पोइन्ट छ, राइट साइडबाट दिस वन. ओके, and do same thing from as we did from left, do same thing from right side also. Try to minimize the errors. Exactly draw गर्ने कोशिश गर. अलिअलि त फरक परिहाल्छ. In I am not habitual to use this website. Okay, these are again 135 degree. यता पनि 135 degree भयो, यता पनि 135 degree भयो. Again take arc of 4 centimeter and cut the lengths here. यहाँ पनि त्यही काम गर्नु पर्यो. अघि जे काम गर्दै आयो 4 centimeter को आर्क्सहरु त्यही काम फेरि गर्नु पर्यो. Let me draw it in this way and do same thing from here also. यहाँबाट पनि त्यही काम गर्नुपर्ने छ. So these are 4 centimeter again, as these others are 4 centimeter. Now remaining will be 4 centimeter itself. अलिकति फरक पनि पर्न सक्छ. यति धेरै बनाइसकेपछि लाइन्सहरु a bit 4 centimeter भन्दा अलि फरक पनि पर्न सक्छ, बट हुनुपर्ने 4 centimeter नै हो. ओके, इज अप्पर वन. यहाँ पनि 4 centimeter आउनु पर्थ्यो, अलि फरक परिहाल्यो 1-2 millimeters because of error in our angles. लगभग आधा डिग्री को एरर भए पनि यहाँ माथि आएर लगभग 2 mm को फरक पर्यो है. So draw it in this way. So our construction is completed up to now. Construction गर्ने काम सक्यो. अब लेख्नु पर्ने काम बाँकी छ. So what we have to write? A, B, let these sides. This one is point C. This is point D. Let this be.
साथै टाइमिङमै लेख्नु पर्छ. ABCD न त AQRS लेख्न मिल्छ.
AQRS.
यसो त्यसै पनि लेख्न मिल्यो कि त्यो ABCD भनेरै त्यो राइमिङमा लेख.
Yes, you can write. It's your choice what name you want to give. Question मा दिएको छैन भने आफूले जेसुकै नाम दिदा पनि हुन्छ. ओके, क्वेशन मा PQRS TUVW यसरी दिएको छ भने त्यही लेख्नु पर्यो क्वेशन मा दिए अनुसार. अदरवाइज it's your choice to write the name. But while writing the name of any polygon, we have to write that polygon in cyclic order. Cyclic order मा चाहिँ लेख्नु पर्छ. While writing the name now, up to now we have drawn it. अहिलेसम्म ड्र गर्ने काम गर्यौं. अब जुन लास्टमा लेख्छौं नि, what we have drawn? A
Regular
regular
octagon.
octagon. What is constructed? Name A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is constructed. While writing this name A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, this one A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, we can't write in this way A, B, H, C, D, G, F, E. यो लेख्न पाइँदैन. यताबाट लेखे पनि हुन्छ A, H, G, F, E, D, C. Either we can write in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise र anti-clockwise जताबाट पनि लेखे पनि हुन्छ, तर साइक्लिक अर्डरमै लेख्नु पर्छ. ओके.
सर त्यो E, D, C त्यसै लेख्न मिल्दैन, त्यो माथिबाट लगेर.
माथिबाट पनि लेख्न मिल्यो. जहाँबाट लेखे पनि साइक्लिक अर्डरमा लेख्नु पर्यो. E, D, C, B, A, H, G, F पनि लेख्न पाइन्छ. ओके. और E, F, G, H, A, B, C, D पनि लेख्न मिल्छ. और D, C, B, A, H, G, F, E पनि लेख्न मिल्छ. लेफ्टबाट लेख्न सुरु गर्यो भने पुरै रेगुलरली लेख्नु पर्यो. राइटबाट लेख्न सुरु गर्यो भने रेगुलरली राइटबाट लेख्नु पर्यो. ओके.
Yes sir.
Now this is clear?
Yes.
No, if there is no confusion, and after this, next question, look at next question, 5 number. Construct a octagon inside a circle of radius 4 centimeter using compass. This is the next question. Time is near about 1 minute, so let us complete this much only for today. Try to do this question. Construct a octagon inside circle of radius 4 centimeter using compass. So this much for today. Thank you very much. Have a great day.